Christine here at the Regen Ranch. It's Saturday evening and I've just moved the sheep to their new pasture, and I wanted to show you my lane fence. So this is my lane fence. I'm going to turn around and there's the rest of my lane fence. And in my land planning, when I first bought this property, I knew I was going to be managing this place by myself, and I knew that I was going to be putting the livestock at the right place at the right time for the right reasons. So that meant I need to move the animals from across the ranch if I needed to, because I'm chasing the grass, right? And so my engineer OCD mind said, well, the easiest way to do this is to create a lane, because then it's easier to move them, but also it relieves that stress, that anticipated stress. Oh my gosh, I've got to move, and I've got to move them across the pasture or across the ranch, and it means I've got to build fence, and will they stay in that fence, and you know, the time to install that fence. So it was a capital investment. It cost money, but it has been such a huge rate of return for me, just for quality of life. It means I'm secure that these animals are going to be where I need them to be, and it's going to be hassle-free. So there's the netting fence that I use to subdivide the pastures, and there's the lane fence. And over here are my gates. So gate placement was important to me, because I also wanted to make sure that I can use the gates to direct traffic and to move equipment from one pasture to the other. So the gates are in front. It's wide enough for most equipment. These are 16 foot. So these are the sort of things you want to think of when you're planning your land infrastructure, fences, and where you invest on your property.